My name is Dean Parman, and for those of you that don't know me yet, I am a video maker, a filmmaker actually as well. I'm a storyteller, a teacher, a digital entrepreneur, and a whole bunch of other titles that we can call ourselves depending on the job that we're doing. But all in all, what you could say is I'm a digital nomad. All that means is that as long as I have my laptop and an internet connection, I'm good to do my job. Currently, with the state of the coronavirus, we have made a decision to stay at home to obviously prevent further infections from spreading, from getting it myself, and also passing it on to other people. And this is obviously going to make life very difficult for many people out there that have jobs where you cannot work from home. That is why I'm making this video, and I would like to address anybody that is a teacher, somebody who has a skill, something that they, some knowledge that they transfer to somebody else for a living, and to let you know that there is a short-term solution and there is a long-term solution for you in turning your knowledge into an online learning platform. What I'm working on at the moment is a web series in which I'm creating live YouTube webinars teaching people how to make their own online course. Anybody that teaches a skill or knowledge or has something that they want to teach is welcome to join. But in this web series, I am going to focus on existing teachers, lecturers, coaches, and tutors, because you guys already have your knowledge base set out for you. And that will make this process extremely easy and fast to get it going. Our web sessions are going to be anything from 5 minutes up to half an hour, depending on the content that we're covering. I'd like to keep it very bite-sized so that it is to the point and something that you can go and actually do right away to get your course online as fast as possible. If you're interested and want to just check out what it looks like and what happens here, then go and read the rest of the information on this page, and also make sure to sign up to the webinar. We will send you a link where you can then receive the live feed. If you miss one of the sessions, you can also opt into the newsletter where we will just send you a summary of all the videos that have been made so far. These are definitely extraordinary times that we're going through, and there's a lot of uncertainty out there, especially about our income and how do we secure our income, because we don't know how long this is going to last. So take this opportunity to learn a skill and continue to share your knowledge with the world. And I do believe that even after this crisis has calmed down, that a lot of people are going to use the new systems that they have become used to, like online shopping and e-learning. So you've got nothing to lose. Take the time to learn how to put your own knowledge on the internet and secure your income. I look forward to seeing you in the webinar.